Welcome back. It's the DMV Weave Doctor, and we're doing another transformation today, a custom unit transformation. This individual overall had nice thick hair, but she just had a little bit of fine thinning around the behind her ear. But today we're going to be doing her a beautiful crimson red closure unit transformation. This is the custom unit with our some of our Brazilian or virgin hair strands. Right now we're just flattening off the top so that everything will look all together and nice and flat. That's what makes some of these installs look good. Now we've already done the hairline, and child, she wanted to get some ponytails. Girl, we gotta give her a heart ponytail. Okay, taking it back to the 90s, honey, taking it back to the 90s. And doesn't she look amazing? Okay, this is the crimson red unit, and we gave her some little ponies, and doesn't she look adorable? This is so cute. This is great for Valentine's. If you're going out with the girls, going on a little mini vacation or a staycation, honey. Girl, and this hair is just serving looks, honey. Look at that bright red. Girl, she is just gonna be stopping traffic, okay? Okay, the Weave Doctor was trying to do a siren, but girl, pull over, okay? That hair is looking amazing. Book now with the DMV Weave Doctor.